What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to reveal a mod that I did. I should have done this a long time ago. And I don't know, some people call it a mod, some people don't call it a mod, but to me it's a mod because it's something different on my car. It's something that I ordered a long time ago, and I finally decided to go ahead and put it on. Like it, man, leave your comments in the comment section and let me know if you like it. And if you're interested in getting one, I can do that for you too. So let's get right to it. As you see, it says Hemi muscle right here on my back tail light. And I also took off the Dodge. I didn't like how that looked, so I decided I wanted to go with the clean look. But let me show you guys exactly what happens when the lights turn on with this mod. Voila. I think it looks pretty good. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. I think it's kind of different. I haven't really seen anybody with it. But you guys let me know, man, if you like the clean look and if you think the Hemi muscle decal back there looks pretty slick. I like it. I hope you guys like it. But that's all I have for today, man. I just wanted to reveal this quick little mod I did. So you guys let me know in the comment section, man, if you like it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out.